Hi, I thought I'd give you a quick market and economic update right now. Right at the moment, we're being held hostage yet again by Congress, who are whining over the budget battle and debate. That'll be over in about a week or less. We'll probably get a resolution at the last minute. Most importantly, as we know last week, that the Fed and Ben Bernanke decided not to taper. Actually, I stood alone when I said that they wouldn't. I mentioned it on CNBC. And we are seeing the implications. At first, the stock market went up, and now we're starting to see the market get a little rattled by the budget debate within Congress. But not to taper is definitely going to help stocks in the short term. Of course, it does leave open the question, are we not going to taper because the economy is slowing down? And that would, of course, be worse. The fact that they're going to continue to taper should, well, add a little confidence that the Fed is ready to act. But it does leave the question, is the economy slowing down a little faster, a little more than we thought, which would worry everybody. But the fact that they're ready to inject more quantitative easing, of course, isn't good for us long term, but it does keep the stock market up for the time being. That's what we see going on right now. The fourth quarter, I expect to be fairly good for stocks. I am concerned that next year we are due for some form of recession, just a natural pullback, not anything nasty. It's just a natural economic cycle. We are due for a bear market or a pretty good correction. It's been 7 years since we had one. And with the taper, which is going to start eventually, it might coincide with that. Most importantly, for most of us, we're saving for retirement. We're in that retirement red zone. We can't afford large declines and large volatility with our stocks and our portfolios and our healthcare plans and whatnot, and Obamacare coming in. It's never been more important to make sure that you have a solid retirement plan in place. Join us for one of our upcoming retirement workshops. We have a number of them coming up in the next 3 or 4 weeks. One's on Obamacare, others are on the 5 critical elements for a stress-free and successful retirement. Make sure to join them. They're free. We're happy to have you there. Most importantly, make sure you are investing for need, not for greed, having the right investments that get the best return with the least risk possible. That's the most important thing you can do as you get close to retirement. You can't withstand the volatility and the fluctuation or the sleepless nights. So why go put yourself through it once again?